US service members participating in African Lion 2026 were reportedly missing near the Cabra training area near the city of Tantan, Morocco, May 2, 2026. US African Command says US Moroccan and other assets from African Lion immediately initiated coordinated search and rescue operation, including ground, air and maritime asset. The soldiers were reportedly missing after they failed to return to the training area, and the US and Moroccan forces then launched a search. The incident remains under investigation and the search is going on. AFRICOM in a statement said, "Our focus is on the service members involved and their families. Additional information will be provided as it becomes available." African Lion is the largest annual joint military exercise that the US takes part in on the continent.
We are really looking forward to exchanging knowledge. We're not imparting knowledge on them, we're also getting knowledge from them. So that's one of the great opportunities that we have when we do these joint exercises. We get to interact with all different types of partner forces. So we're here working and teaching the Kenyans primarily, but we're also getting Czech students and French students, so we're going to get the opportunity to learn from them and kind of get some of their tactics and techniques and bring it back home with us and pass that along to the rest of the force.
It is hosted by Morocco, Ghana, Senegal and Tunisia. Exercise African Lion focuses on all-domain operation, crisis response and multinational coordination to enhance regional security and prepare for emergency. The exercise, which involves 5,000 personnel from 40 countries and more than 30 US-based industry partners, is scheduled from 27th of April to May 8th.
African Lion is very different from what I do at Home Station. Down here I'm getting to really work with the young NCOs, where at Home Station CTFAF is a little different. We are a very top-heavy organization, so I mainly get to deal with more senior in ranks, both officers and NCOs.
As the soldiers went missing, social media users have started giving various theories behind their disappearance. A social media user wrote on X, "How is it even possible? The Moroccan government is planning something and it's likely they will exploit the situation in a despicable way to accuse the Polisario Front. It's also likely that Morocco is behind the vile scheme. This is a maneuver and the boundaries are known and defined. Furthermore, the location is pre-prepared for a stimulation and not a blind entry. How could they not notice missing soldier? What about their communication methods and distress and flared signals? This is completely illogical and I hope they will find and return safely." Another user said, "Guys, dear American allies, there are invasion of Algerian terrorist Iran supporters here. Be aware please and let's all pray for the return of these two members safe to their homes and families. Amen. Don't let Algerian terrorists and trolls mislead you. They hate us and US." Another user said, "The desert is hard and dangerous. Only true warriors survive it. Hope they are safe. This will be their greatest lesson for them and help them in any future challenge in the desert. If they are still..." Another user mockingly said, "Did you meant their GPS device malfunctioned?" US official sources, however, told media that both soldiers are with the army and were on the hike when they believed to have fallen from a cliff and into the ocean. There's no indication of foul play, the official said, and the African has not identified the soldier and not released their pictures as of yet. What do you think about the disappearance of US soldiers? I am Shreya and I will keep you updated about the development of the story. Thank you for watching National Defense.